So today's video has a little to do with bad timing, but it has a whole lot more to do with procrastination and the horrors that lurk when you do it. So as we quickly look into the definition of procrastination, so we can see that we're in control of postponing or delaying our actions even though we get negative consequences. So already we're off to a bad start. So the last 3 years I've been super intrigued and trying very hard to secure a Skydio 2 drone because I simply think it will revolutionize the future plans that I have for this channel and beyond. So if you haven't seen this thing in action, or don't know why DJI can't hold a candle to it, then I'd like you to check out my boy Kai's video, because simply put, it's most likely the best one on the subject matter. So once I was able to save up enough money to afford my own Skydio experience, I shot right over to their website and got to waiting. So it turns out all their drone kits were sold out, and I waited for them to come back into stock 1 month, which turned to 2 months, which turned to 3 months, until finally I decided to contact Skydio and see when their drone kits will be back in stock. And as you can see in this very succinct email, they won't be coming back for the consumers. And at this point, I knew my opportunity to own a Skydio 2 Plus was in great jeopardy. And just to be totally fair, Skydio is offering an enterprise kit. But then again, if you don't own a fire department or an electric company, it seems you might have a hard time getting one of these. So I was just lucky I didn't have an aneurysm. And once I got past that, I got straight on to eBay. So I was in the midst of 2 bidding wars, but fortunately was able to attain the highest bid on Terry SD's platform where he was selling his Skydio 2. So at this time I'd like to thank Terry, because without him this might not have happened. But indeed folks, it did happen. And now we are the proud owners of a Skydio 2 Plus drone. So I guess the moral of this story is, never wait too long on a good thing, because in the end, it just might not be there. So I want to thank everybody for watching. You know this is your boy Kachi's Kid, and you know I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace, ma.